Hey there, everyone! Today, we're diving into the awesome features of the NightCrystal M5 Night Vision Riflescope Monocular Hunting Camera Optics Sight. This handy little device is about to make your night hunting and observation adventures a whole lot better. First up, let's talk about how easy it is to use. The NightCrystal M5 is compact and lightweight, making it super simple to clip onto your rifle's Picatinny rail. The built-in 1.2-inch OLED screen on the eyepiece shows you colorful images during the day and clear black and white images at night, up to 300 yards away. It's perfect for beginners, no need for any DIY tinkering. Want to capture your hunts? No problem. With the push of a button, you can record 1080p HD videos or snap photos, day or night. Share your adventures with friends or on social media, and let everyone see what you've been up to. The image quality is fantastic, thanks to our AI Smart IC tech. The 1080p Real Digital camera provides sharp, clear images. Plus, the 360-degree adjustable IR camera helps you get the perfect focus. With different lenses available, you get a wide view and enhanced sensitivity to IR light, making it great for all sorts of activities like surveillance, night hunting, wildlife watching, and even cave exploring. The NightCrystal M5 also comes with an integrated adjustable IR flashlight. It's invisible to the naked eye, keeping you stealthy. You can adjust the intensity and direction of the IR light to brighten your view without blowing your cover. For those who like a bit of customization, the adjustable crosshairs are a great feature. You can move them to align with your scope's reticle or hide them if you don't need them. And with the 1-4x digital zoom, you can easily choose the best magnification for your needs. Lastly, the charging options are super convenient. The built-in USB-C interface lets you charge the internal battery directly, or you can hook up an external power bank for those longer hunting trips. This way, you'll never run out of power, whether you're out in the field or back at camp. Thanks for checking out the NightCrystal M5 with us. It's time to enhance your hunting and night vision experiences with this fantastic scope. For more details or to get your own, visit our website www.nightcrystal.com or drop us a message. Happy hunting, everyone!